Hello, and welcome to Coresignal. My name is Ugnis, and in today's video, I'll explain how to use Coresignal's data to find active job postings. Let's say you're interested in the latest job openings in specific locations or industries. For example, you're connecting qualified healthcare professionals with companies in the Boston area. Our Jobs API is one of the best solutions for this use case. This API is designed specifically for finding and getting relevant job postings based on filters, such as location, job title, or date. An excellent way to explore our job posting data on your own is the self-service platform. Navigate to the Find Data section and select the relevant dataset. Let's use the example I mentioned earlier and look for active healthcare industry job postings in Boston. I'll select all industries based on the keywords health, medical, and medicine. As you can see, there are 144 open job positions at the time of making this video. Each job data record contains the main information about the job and lists of industries and job functions. To ensure freshness, our jobs database is refreshed every day. That's why you can use this API to build a job feed for your product. The self-service platform offers the option to download the results immediately, which is especially convenient for one-time requests and looking up specific information on demand. You can access this information and much more using one of our data solutions, APIs or datasets. Start your 14-day free trial and get 200 credits. And if you want to discuss your use case first, contact us to book a free consultation. Thanks for watching.